He want my body tonight. He said he gonna touch up and kiss on it right. Slow it down, boy, cause I know how I'm feeling about you tonight. And there's no other feeling that made me feel so right.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Untitled, coming to you today with another video. Today's video, I am giving you guys a super detailed tutorial on how I do these locks on myself. These are the pre-twisted crochet locks. These are in the color burgundy. These are free parted. I literally just split my hair into 4 sections and literally just free parted with the comb into half moon shape. I didn't want everything to be equal. I didn't want everything to be even, so that's what I decided to do for myself. I didn't want box party. You can, y'all, you can do that, but I just decided not to. Before I get into the video, show you guys what hair I use and all the details on everything. My name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor. If you are an OG subscriber, hey girl, hey. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. I hope you are here to stay, girl. Around here, we do give hugs around this mug, okay? So if you love hugs just as much as I love giving hugs, come on ahead and join the fam and go ahead and give me a hug. Let me just get my behind up and go ahead and give you guys a hug. And like I said, we're just gonna proceed into this video, okay? We gotta get acquainted with one another. We gotta hug, okay? That's just something we gotta do, okay? All right. If you don't already know, we do give hugs around this mug, okay? So this is the hair that I'm using. It is the Bobbi Boss. I know you guys seen this a couple times. It is the Bobbi Boss New Locks. This is the only hair that I'm using in this tutorial, okay? I use this hair to wrap, and I also use this hair to crochet in, okay? I didn't use any extra hair, so you guys don't have to worry about matching the hair textures or anything. If you guys just use the hair that you have, you'll be perfectly fine. So this is how the hair looks up close. It is the 18-inch. It is the New Locks, and it is in the color burgundy. I'm sorry, I bought 8 packs of this Bobbi Boss New Lock hair, and I only used 6 packs. I have 2 packs left over, and all of that included me wrapping as well. So I have 60 locks into my head, so that should kind of let you guys know, like, if I have 60 locks in my head and I only use 6 packs, just kind of do the math. It is 19 locks per pack, okay? So that is the hair that I use. You are going to need a crochet needle. You are going to need something to moisturize your hair. You're also going to need some super glue. However, that is not necessary if you want to be honest, but I decided to use that only just when it came to combining the hair. So I'm just gonna zoom in real close and personal right now, okay? Well, here is my hair. My hair has no added hair on it. This is just my hair by itself, okay? My hair is super long. This front piece comes all the way down here, okay? As you guys already know, the Bobbi Boss hair comes already pre-twisted by itself, okay? So I'm going to pull 2 strands out. Here is how one of the locks look, okay? What you're gonna do is you're gonna find the loop like so. You're gonna open it up, put it in your thumb like that so you don't lose it, okay? I'm also going to take a crochet needle, okay? These are $1 at the hair store. Make sure that it is open, the latch hook is open, okay? So here is my hair that I'm going to do the lock on. So I'm literally, while I'm holding the crochet needle in one hand and holding the lock on the other hand, I am literally going to slide it under the braid, the crochet needle. I'm going to slide it under the braid, okay? Once I slide it under the braid, give myself some room. I'm going to slide the lock onto the crochet needle and close the lock, okay? Once I close the lock, I'm going to slide the hair under my braid, okay? That is it, guys. Slide it under the braid. Then I'm going to grab the hoop, loop, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to grab that so that way the loop is in one hand and then the other piece is in the other hand, okay? Once I'm done grabbing that, I'm going to let go, and then I'm going to find my hair, which is right here, okay? And I'm going to pull my hair. I'm going to grab it and pull my hair through this loop, okay? And slide. Once I do that, I'm going to let the loop go, guys. Let the loop go. Hold my hair, grab the end piece, and pull. What this is going to do is it's going to give it a knotless look at the root, okay? It's going to make it knotless, okay, guys? You see what I'm saying? It's not going to be that big old knot that you be seeing when people are crocheting hair. It's going to be knotless that way. And it's going to lie really, really flat. Once I do that, then I'm going to just start wrapping. Okay, so the key is, okay, when it comes to wrapping, what I found out was the hand that you don't write with, that's the hand that you're going to hold your hair in, okay? So I am left-handed, so I'm going to hold my hair on the right side, okay? Then I'm going to grab the lock. Okay, I'm going to grab the lock. So another thing you're going to have to figure out is you're going to have to figure out which way the lock is going. All the locks are going either, you know, counterclockwise or clockwise, either way. So when I'm holding it, in order to unwrap the hair, I will have to go counterclockwise. I will have to go this way because the hair is being wrapped this way. So in order to wrap my hair and conceal it, I'm literally going to have to twist to unwind it and then wrap. You get what I'm saying? Now, when you're doing your own hair, I guess it's a little different when you're doing other people's hair. But I like to, like I said, I like to hold the hair into my non-dominant hand. And then I'm going to grab this and twist and wrap. I wouldn't go over. I like to go under because you have more control. Go under your braid, okay? So here I am going to twist it and wrap, okay? And pull. Twist, wrap, and pull. Twist, wrap, and pull. Twist, wrap, and pull. Okay? So I'm going to twist, wrap, and pull. Okay? Twist, wrap, and pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Okay? Before you wrap, make sure you twist. Twist, wrap, pull. And I'm gripping my hair, as you guys can see. Like, I got a really, really good grip on it. And I'm keeping it straight. Twist, wrap, pull. So you literally just keep that in mind. Twist, wrap, and pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Twist, untwist it. Wrap it with your thumb. And like you're throwing it on the other side. Especially when you have it, like when it's getting shorter, you really can throw it on the other side then. So, twist, wrap, pull. Twist, wrap, pull. Twist, wrap, pull. And as you see, I'm going to run out of hair because my hair is just too long. So just focus on twist, wrapping, and pulling. And you're going to want to do it kind of tight because these are already twisted. So if you do it loose, you're going to have like loosey-goosey locks. I realized that doing them. Okay, you're going to wait until you get about an inch left, okay? An inch left, guys, of this wrap. And as you can see, my hair is still doing what it do. It's still out there long too with it, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold the braiding hair, and then you are going to split the end part into two, okay? Once you split it in two, you're gonna grab another lock. You're gonna get another lock and you're gonna open the the loop, okay? Once you open the loop, you're gonna grab this again, okay? And then you're going to literally put one of these strands through the loop, okay? Once you pull one strand through the loop, you're going to literally let go of everything and grab these two strands again while this is attached. The loop is still attached, okay? And double knot it. 1, 2. Make sure make sure it's secure, okay? You may need to slide back up. So yeah, so now that is secure, okay? So you have your hair still that's connected to the other lock. You have the two pieces and then you have this other lock, okay? So what I like to do is I like to grab these two ends and my braiding hair and just continue going, okay? Now, if you want to feel secure, you can't apply a dot of glue where that knot is, okay? Especially if you feel like it's unraveling or it's loose, make sure that you apply that glue right there and then you can just keep going. So like I said, I'm just going to grab it. I'm going to go over this spot a couple times by wrapping and twisting. I do apply glue right there when I'm done. So here's the two strands again. Here's my hair. And then you're going to twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. Like I said, do about 3 or 4 times in the same spot. And you're going to keep wrapping until you are literally done with your hair. Okay, guys? Till your hair has disappeared and you're done. That is when you stop. So I'm doing the same concept, holding it, twisting and wrapping. Okay, little piece left. You literally are going to keep going until that piece disappears. Once you're done, you literally are just going to finger coil, and voila. Voila, your hair is gone, the lock is installed, and you good. Now, if you see some spots where you had messed up, like it seems like I could have did better, like with covering it right there or something like that. Don't worry, because I'm not perfect either. What I do is I'll just grab like a strand, cut it in half, and peel it apart into 2. And I'm just going to use that to wrap around the black parts. Right? So like right here where I feel like it's getting like slack and I feel like the black is showing, I'm going to literally start wrapping. So I'm just going to grab this piece, pinch a little part right here, and just start wrapping. Wrap a couple times in the same spot, and literally just kind of, just kind of twist. It don't matter. You don't have to be perfect because they're Bohemian. I'm sorry, they're distressed locks. So once I'm done with that, I could just switch it, back to the other side and wrap over that. Whatever. Honestly, this gives it a natural look itself. So, and just finger coil it. Alright, y'all. So that's basically it. It looks super natural. Looks really good. Like the texture is amazing. They look so good. Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was informative. I hope you guys learned a little something, especially if you're doing these locks on yourself, or you're doing these locks with color, or you're doing these locks on someone with longer hair. I hope these tricks and tips helped you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah.